The report. Lee sat quietly in the library, surrounded by tall shelves full of books. Normally, the library made him feel calm, but today, his heart felt heavy. He looked at his notebook and sighed. His group project was due very soon. Very soon. And he hadn't even started his part. Lee was working with two classmates, Jack and Claire. They were both smart and hard-working. Jack had already finished the written report. He used clear sentences and strong adjectives. His writing explained the planets in a simple and interesting way. Claire had drawn a beautiful map of the stars. It was neat, colorful, and very detailed. Lee looked at their work and felt nervous. I don't want to ruin this. He thought, I don't want them to get a bad grade because of me. Lee's job was to make a model of a planet. At first, that sounded easy, but now it felt impossible. Well, Lee whispered to himself, I guess I need to start. He opened one book, then another, then another. The pages were full of charts, numbers, and diagrams. Lee stared at them, but his mind felt empty. I don't understand any of this, he said quietly. He tried harder. He read slowly, but the words didn't make sense. We're going to fail because of me, Lee said softly. He put his head down on the table. I wish I could see a real planet, he said, instead of just reading about it. Suddenly, a bright light filled the room. Lee felt his chair shake. Before he could scream, he was pulled up into the air, through the ceiling, through the clouds. Everything spun. When the light faded, Lee found himself inside a strange ship. The walls were smooth and glowing. Buttons floated in the air. Hello, kid, a friendly voice said. Lee turned around and saw an alien. The alien was tall, with kind eyes and a calm smile. Did you ask for help? The alien asked. Lee was scared at first, but something about the alien felt safe. I think I did, Lee said. He told the alien everything. The project, the model, the deadline, the fear of failing his friends. The alien nodded. I can help you, he said. But first, let's learn the fun way. The ship began to move. They flew through the sky, past the clouds, past the moon. Lee pressed his face against the window. Then he saw Mars. It was red, quiet, beautiful. This is amazing, Lee said. The alien explained everything slowly. The size, the surface, the shape. Lee listened carefully. For your model, the alien said, you don't need to know everything. You just need to understand. On the way back to Earth, the alien helped Lee build the model step by step. When the ship landed, Lee found himself back in the library. No one else noticed anything strange. In his hands was the model of Mars. It was simple, clear, and perfect. Lee smiled. Thank you, he said quietly. That day, Lee turned in the project with confidence, and for the first time, he believed in himself.